What up, Burger World? Alvin Cailan here. Another burger review. This is something that I've been coming to the Hat for probably, I'd say, at least 25 years of my life. If you grew up on the east side of Los Angeles, you know this place. It's called the Hat. They're actually famous for their pastrami dip sandwich, but I'm gonna review their burger today, and I'm probably also gonna review their pastrami burger today. You got the beautiful yellow paper, which is patented Los Angeles. I ordered a double cheeseburger. That's usually what I do. You know what time it is. I'm right next to the fucking ordering system. So here we go. Meat cheese bun. Comes with a seeded bun. Double patty. Lettuce, tomato. Pickles. Classic. The bun is dry. It's not my favorite bun. The beef almost seems like it's not seasoned. It's like the burger relies on the secret sauce, the lettuce, the tomato, and the pickles. I mean, look, I grew up eating here. I come here at least maybe once every 3 months. When I lived in New York, I would fiend for this. I would, like, as soon as I would arrive back from New York and I would land here in Los Angeles, this is one of the first places I would come. But now, I'm actually doing burger reviews. The double cheeseburger at the Hat. So 1.9. There it is. The double cheeseburger at the Hat. 1.9. And I wouldn't even call it like a low score. Because I mean, I think like a 0 point something would be like a low score. But in the city of Los Angeles, where burgers reign supreme, the land of In-N-Out, it's definitely a 1.9. Do you want to come here? If you're around, you see it, sure. Do you have to run to it? I don't think so. All right. Like I promised, pastrami burger. Again, the Hat is famous for their pastrami. So let's give it a bite. Okay. See, the problem with the first burger, the double cheese, the problem was that it wasn't seasoned. I think that if it was seasoned, it would have been a better score. This burger, because of the pastrami, it just takes it to the next level. I mean, look at these thinly sliced, like beautiful slices of pastrami. Meat cheese bun. I'm gonna give that a 2.2. I think it's a fantastic pastrami burger. It's actually well balanced, considering the meat patty has no seasoning. I think the saltiness of the pastrami really, really brings it home. So, when you're at the Hat and you want to get a burger, skip the double, get the pastrami burger. Leave a comment at where I should go next. I'm in the city of LA for a few weeks, so let me know where I should go. Comment below. Thanks for watching.